Hi, welcome to this fifth tutorial on Git and GitHub. In the previous tutorials, we have covered some basic terminal commands and have also seen how Git is committed and how can we revert and reset a commit we have done. We also understood the concept of branching. We very briefly spoke about the merging concept, and since this is one of the topics which requires a more in-depth understanding, we would be covering the Git merge in this tutorial. Broadly, there are two types of merge. First would be the fast forward merge, and the second would be the conflict merge. The first one is fairly simple to understand. It is like working on a new feature in a different branch and adding it to the master branch in a fast forward manner. In the second scenario, we would get some conflicts and we have to solve those conflicts before the merging happens. Now these conflicts can happen both at the start of the merge, wherein there is some pending commit to be made and Git is already aware about the fact that the latest version of the file is yet to be committed. And in the latter scenario, there could be a possibility that Git came across some conflict during the merge. Although Git tries to resolve the conflicts as far as it can, but there are at times when you have to manually resolve these conflicts before the final merge takes place. We will try and create both these scenarios and see how it works in our terminal. We're already present in the directory wherein we are running all of these Git commands. And if we look at the files, so there's this one text file we have. And if we check the branches, we have our two branches, master and codes. Now what we will do is we'll check our folder as well. This is the folder we have in which our text file is present. So for the first scenario, wherein we want to do a fast forward merge, we will create a new file in the codes branch and then merge that new file into the master branch. So we will first switch our branch to codes branch, create a new file. So as of now, it's just one text file. We'll create a new file, say new feature.txt. We'll go back to the folder. This is our text file. We'll open it. We'll add some random text, save it, and we'll commit this now. Commit new feature added in codes branch. Now if you'll observe this folder again, you can see that there is this new feature text file present, but the moment we change our branch to master and open the folder again, that new feature text file would not be visible. Since that new feature text file is only created in the codes branch, it will not be visible in master till the time we do not merge it. And in order to merge it, you have to ensure that you are sitting on the master branch and run this command git merge followed by the name of the branch in which your feature is sitting. So we will run this and we'll observe that in this folder that new feature file would get merged. So let's run it, and in the output you would see that this got successfully merged and it was a fast forward merge. And if you check the folder now, this new feature text file is now present. Now for the second scenario, what we want to do is in the same new feature file, we would make two different changes on two different branches and then try and merge. So we'll open this file. I live in Delhi. I'll save it, add the file, commit, place added. Okay, so this is the change which we have done on the master, and if you open this, you will see that the changes we have made is already present. Let's switch to the other branch, open the file again. The changes are not featuring in this branch because we have not made any changes in this new feature file in our codes branch. So we'll make the change here as well. Save it, close it, and commit. the message, place added in quotes branch. So what we have done now is in both the branches we made some changes in the new features file, and we will try and merge those files now. Now before merging, again you have to ensure that you are present on the master branch and run this command, git merge quotes. Now the moment you run this, you will see that in the output it is clearly highlighted that the automatic merge failed and there's this conflict, and it is asking you to fix the conflicts and then commit the result. The beauty of Git is it will highlight the conflicts in your text file. So if you go back to your new feature text file, it will show you the conflict. Let me increase the size. So the conflict highlighted is mentioned here, wherein it says on the head branch, which is the master branch, it is mentioned that I live in Delhi, but in the quotes branch we have mentioned that I live in India. So this is the conflict which Git has highlighted. Now you have to resolve this conflict manually, save this file, and then make the commit. So what we'll do is we'll solve this. So rather than deleting one of the statements, I'll simply modify the statement I live in Delhi, India, and get rid of the unwanted text. Let me save it. And now we will be committing this file. Conflict resolved. Now the moment you committed it, you will see in your log that the merge happened and the conflict is now resolved. I hope you have understood the basics of git merge and how to resolve a conflict. With this, we are done with our basic git commands. In the next tutorial, we'll start exploring the GitHub commands. Thank you.